Ewelina Bednarz. I'm reporting from another Evertiq Expo. I'm here with Stefan Theil from Factronix. Hello, Stefan.
Hello, thank you for having me.
That was a pleasure. I know you had a great speech during the Evertiq Expo, but now we also have a few questions for you. So let's start. What types of components are most viable for reclaiming and which ones are still too challenging to recover efficiently?
Yeah, that's a very good question, honestly. The first step is always about the price-intensive components, and that's usually the BGA on the PCB board. BGA with our laser reballing service is a high reliability product, and it's easy for us to do a full 100% conversion on that. When it comes to challenging parts, of course, the very, very tiny ones. We can do alloy conversion up to 04, 02 parts, which is really that tiny, and that's are the most challenging ones right now.
Okay. So how do OEMs and EMS providers typically respond to the idea of integrating reclaimed components into production? Are we seeing genuine interest of lingering skepticism?
Yeah, first of all, they're all shocked. And I'm hearing very often, no. But then the second thing, when they think about, they really like the idea. And our business is growing. I'm happy that this is growing. And they see this service as a good chance for a third source to get products back on track.
Okay. I think we should end our interview with a question like, what regulatory of logistical barriers currently limit the wider adoption of components reclaim in Europe, and what changes would help to accelerate it?
Yeah, logistic is always a topic, and it is an extra add-on the complete service. The prices for transport are increasing dramatically. That's the reason why we are looking for different plans right now. Problem with the borders is always there, and Europe is still not the complete European Union, right? So when we have a border, it's always a little bit challenging, but my team is fixing that really, really good. And we are doing on a good way, and thanks to our forwarding agents, it goes very well. We're still doing a lot of express work. We can offer express work, and the customers can be sure that we are doing that within 5 days turnaround time. Easy for us.
So maybe one more question. How do you find the future?
Interesting, especially when it comes now to the next component things. You have seen now in the news the problems what we're having with the automotive industry in Germany. I hope for everybody this is not affecting the complete whole supply chain industry. Anyway, I think we are on a good level, and you can be sure that the demand is increasing. Because the regulations are changing, everybody's thinking more about the environment, and everybody wants to do here something around. So I see good times coming up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.